Hello friends, in this learning session we will be discussing about hexadecimal arithmetic operations. A quick recap of the number system that we already know. There are basically four types of number systems. There are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal number system. Now the hexadecimal number system comprises of the numbers from 0 to 9 and A to F. The base for the hexadecimal number system is 16. We will be focusing on the four basic arithmetic operations that are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is the wheel of hexadecimal number system. For simplicity, remember that whenever we perform addition, we will be moving in the clockwise direction, and whenever we perform the subtraction, we will be moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise for subtraction and clockwise for addition. For example, just take the example of d plus 9, that is d. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It's 6. Just remember that whenever we cross 0 mark, we take 1 carry. That is d plus 9 would give me 6 and 1 carry. That is 16. Similarly, whenever we subtract 9 from d, that is d minus 9, we have to move in the anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, that is 4. So we will be getting the answer 4. This is the simplest method to remember how to perform addition and subtraction. Now let's move for hexadecimal addition. Remember the thumb rule of clockwise direction for addition. Here we are going to perform d plus 7, that is d is over here, plus 7, that is 1, 2, 3, we have crossed 0. So we will be taking 1 carry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 4 would be written over here and 1 would be carry forward. 5 plus 1 plus f, that is 5 plus 1 6 plus f. So I will be counting 6 starting from f. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 1 carry. Here I will be putting the decimal point. 3 plus 1 plus 6, that is 10, which is nothing but a in hexadecimal. F plus e. E is equivalent to 14. So we will be calculating 14 from e. 1, 2, 3 and so on up till d. That is, my answer would be d and 1 carry over here. 1 plus 0 plus 9 is equivalent to a, that is 10. E plus 4. E, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 over here and 1 carry, which would be propagated over here. So my answer is 12ADA.54. Now we will be performing subtraction. E minus 9. Remember the thumb rule of moving in anti-clockwise direction for subtraction. E minus 9, so E is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I will be getting over here E minus 9 as 5 6 minus a. Thereby I would be getting over here 16. Since 6 is smaller than a, I'm taking carry from the previous digit. 16 plus 6, that is 22, minus a would be equal to 22 minus 10, that is nothing but 12, which is equivalent to c. I'll be placing over here dot. 1 minus e, not possible, would be taking carry over here. Would be doing over here e. 16 plus 1, 17, minus e, which is 14, so 3. E minus 0, so e. 7 minus a, not possible, so again 16, taking carry from the previous bit. 16 plus 7 minus 10 would be equivalent to 13, which is nothing but b. And 5 minus 4 is equivalent to 1. So my answer is 1BE3.C5. Okay, now we will be moving forward for hexadecimal multiplication. The procedure remains the same as of decimal number system. 5 into 3 is equivalent to 15, which is nothing but f. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now here comes the twist. 9 multiplied by 3 is equivalent to 27, which is greater than 16. So remember, whenever you have the number which is greater than 16, split it in the form of 16 multiple. That is, 27 can be written as 1 into 16 plus 11, which is the remainder. So we will be writing over here 11, which is nothing but b, and this 1 would get carried forwarded over here. Now here b is equivalent to 11, so 11 multiplied by 5 is equivalent to 55, which can be split as 3 into 16 plus 7, which is nothing but, okay, I will put over here 0 and 7. 3 would be here carry forwarded to the next bit. 11 multiplied by 2 plus 3 is equal to 25, which can be split as 1 into 16 plus 9, so 9 over here, and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now 11 into 9 is 99 plus 1, that is equal to 100, which can be split as 6 into 16 plus 4, so 4 over here, and 6 would be carry, which would be propagated here in the later stage, and my summation would be f plus 0 would be f. 6 plus 7 would be equal to b, that is 13. b plus 9, our thumb rule, b plus 9 in clockwise direction. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is 4. We have crossed the 0 once, so we carry forward 1 over here to the next step. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 6, and this 6 would be propagated in the next step. Here the decimal point is before one term, and here also before one term, so in my answer my decimal point would be before two terms. So my answer would be 6x4.df. Now the last arithmetic operation is the division operation, performed over hexadecimal number. Here, whenever you are given such type of numbers that are 1a, just convert it into decimal number, that is 1a, can be written as 1 into 16 plus 10, which is. Now 6 cannot be divided by 1a, so we would be writing over here 0. 1a along with 6a can be written as 6a equal to 6 into 16 plus the equivalent of a is 10, that is 106. Now we will be finding the nearest number or else the nearest multiple of 26 to 106. So 26 multiplied by 4 is equivalent to 104, which is less than 106 and the nearest to 106. Now this 104 is in decimal, so we need to convert it into hexadecimal number, which is equal to 16 into 6 plus 8. So I will be writing over here 4 into 68, that is, now I will be performing the subtraction, that is a minus 8 would be equal to 2, b would be carried forwarded over here to the next step, 2b. So 1a multiplied by 1 would give me the number which is less than 2b. I will be performing the subtraction again, that is b minus a would be equal to 1, 2 minus 1 would be equal to 1, and f would get propagated over here. Here 11f is equal to 11 into 16 plus 15. F is equal to 15, which is equivalent to 287, and the nearest multiple of 26 is 286. So I have to convert it into hexadecimal. So 16 multiplied by 11 plus 16 multiplied by 17 plus 14 would give me 286. 14 is equivalent to E and 17 is equivalent to 16 plus 1, that is 17 is equivalent to 11 in hexadecimal. So I would be writing over here 11E and would be propagating over here B. So my answer would be equivalent to, here B comes because of this number 11. 26 multiplied by 11. I will be subtracting E from F. I will be getting 1. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. I will be propagating decimal number, and 6 will be propagated over here. Now 16 can't be divided by 1, so I have to write over here 0. Now I will be bringing down here D, and I will be writing over here 1a into E, which is equivalent to 16c. The remainder is 1 and the process would continue. My answer is 41b.0e. Remember, in all the arithmetic operations, the method remains the same as decimal number system, but we simply need to check for the range of the digits. For example, in the hexadecimal number system, after 0 to 9, we need to look forward for A to F, and again from 10 onwards to 1F. Thank you all for your kind attention.